Hi, Luis.
Hello, Dr. Concha.
So my name is Jeannie Concha. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Texas at El Paso, and I'm the director of the Diabetes Garage.
Hi, my name is Luis Villagomez. I'm a community health worker in South Texas. I play the role of the mechanic for the Diabetes Garage, and I do work with people who have diabetes here in South Texas. I enjoy it. It is very rewarding to do something that helps and encourages and empowers people who are struggling to maintain this disease.
And particularly our men, our Mexican-American men.
We're more stubborn and hard-headed.
We have
and I'll admit it.
some high rates of diabetes in our male population. And so the Diabetes Garage actually is designed to really engage our male population.
Yes.
Luis, what month is it?
November.
It's November. And in November, we celebrate World Diabetes Day, November 14th. But yes. November is also Diabetes Awareness Month.
Yes. Your A1C, to explain it simply, it's your average blood glucose levels in 3 months.
The reason it's 3 months is because every red blood cell has a lifespan in your body for 3 months. After 3 months, your body eliminates it through waste or through the liver and is used as iron. So Luis, at the garage, do you feel like A1C is an important gauge for men to check, and anyone?
Your A1C is very important, not just for people with diabetes, but for everybody. We should all know, or ask at least, what the A1C is. Now, people with diabetes, it is extremely important to know what your A1C is, because you may check your blood glucose levels regularly, and your A1C is your 3-month blood work for your diabetes. I guess that's what you could say. But yes, it's important for all of us, but especially for those with diabetes.
So A1C, you think about gasoline as fuel for your car, right? And you use fuel to get your engine and your motor running. And so you use fuel to make sure that your car can get you from point A to point B. Well, sugar in our body is similar to gasoline. Sugar is needed. Every single cell in our body needs sugar. So the ranges for someone A1C are 5.7% and below, means that that's optimal. Those are the ranges you should have to show that your machine, your body, your human machine is functioning well. Individuals who have a range of 5.7 to 6.4% are known to be at risk, and this is also known as pre-diabetes. So that means that if they don't make changes in their lifestyle, they have a higher risk of developing diabetes. Anything above 6.5% or above means that you most likely are going to be diagnosed with diabetes.
A lot of people maybe feel intimidated to ask their providers for results. Maybe they themselves feel they won't understand. But again, this is where community health workers have to advocate and empower to ask, give them the resources needed so they know the ranges and not feel intimidated at the doctor's office, or maybe they just don't know what they're asking.
So if you're interested in signing up, the program is for men over 18 years of age. You can go to our website, www.diabetesgarage.org, and you can click on the registration link there. We have some sessions current that will be starting in 2021 in El Paso, San Antonio, and Harlingen. We'll be offering workshops in February, March, April, and May. So you can register through the website. You can call our office at 915-747-8377 or email us at diabetesgarage@utep.edu.